Are you ready to dive deep into the world of submarine power cables? Join us for the 5th annual Submarine Power Cable and Interconnection Forum, where we'll be showcasing the latest cable technologies powering tomorrow beneath the waves. This event will be held in London, United Kingdom from the 18th to the 19th of November 2025. It is the place to be if you're in the business of building stronger, more resilient grids. At the forum, you'll have the opportunity to explore innovative cable solutions that are enabling cross-border grid interconnectivity, as well as engage in high-level dialogue with utilities, TSOs, and project developers. From offshore wind to global grids, it all starts here. So mark your calendars and stay tuned for more updates. We look forward to seeing you there. Are you